Hello, welcome. So, in this video, let's talk about ZipWP, one of the hottest AI website builders that I've been using for the past 2 months or so, and I've been thoroughly enjoying it. Now, link is in the description down below if you guys want to check it out and maybe get a small discount or special offer through my link. It is an affiliate link, but it helps with the channel and make more of these videos. So, I hope you guys check it out. By the way, when it comes to pricing, you do get a free trial version or like a free version. You can get 3 AI websites per month, which is okay if you just want to try it out. I use the personal version, which has 3 AI websites per day. But if you want more, then you can get the pro or maybe business, which is 5, 10. And I'll talk about AI credits monthly. And if you have an agency or big agency where branding and your agency name is more important, maybe getting a white label domain. So basically you can white label this and make it your own, as if you own the technology. So yeah, if you pay yearly, you save significant amount of money. So it's up to you which plan of pricing is suitable for you. So once you click and get started, you create your account with your email, password, yada yada yada, and then you make the payment, whatever, and once everything is done and once you log in, this is the website creation feature. Now, if you have your own hosting, what you can do is you can install an Astra theme and then connect your email and you'll be taken to a similar dashboard like this. So anyways, it's fairly simple. You can get this done in a few minutes. I just love how easy it is. So I'm creating a website for what kind of business am I making this website for? Let's say, okay, maybe in marketing agency, right? Marketing agency. And then you have different options if you want to check it out. Different options or different possibilities. And then there are a few options for the language. Now, English from English to other types of languages, you guys can choose and pick. However, I did find some languages that are not as common. The AI training isn't that great, so English is okay, but other unknown or smaller languages that's not as widely used, the training is not that good. So, but if you happen to be an English speaker, or perhaps French, I don't know, German, where it's one of those common languages, then it shouldn't be a problem. So anyways, English or Russian, French, German, or Spanish, whatever, it should be fine in most cases. So website will be in English, continue, and then give your name. So giving a name, and then this is a website for a marketing agency. We will be doing reviews of applications and tools that will be helpful for other marketers. Now, if you want to use the AI to improve the copywriting, or this is not really important, just give it a small prompt as to what it needs to be about. But if you want to improve it, you can click on improve with AI, and then it will make it more. Yeah, it makes it more comprehensive, and it gives you better writing. Anyways, it's up to you. Cutting edge applications, blah 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 blah. And if it's good for you, and then continue. And then you can use these free stock photos for your website. Now, what it does, it based on your selection, the photos will be used in the website per its own discretion. Okay, so I don't know, agency. You guys can look up different photos and choose whichever one is most suitable for you. Let's say digital, right? Of course, you can always change the pictures afterwards. That's fine, but let's select a few photos and images. Now, I do wish, like, if it like an upload feature, where you can just upload your own photos that you want to use in a website instead of having to pick these stock images. That would have been good, but for now, it is what it is. And then after you're done clicking all these images, you can search other images if you want, but continue. After selecting a few images, you're taken to the contact section for your website. So this can be whatever, then yada 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 yada. Okay, then address, whatever your address is, write it here. Okay, and then social media, if you have any Facebook, Twitter or X, Instagram, whatever, you guys can add it here as well, and just copy paste the link and then continue. Now, when it comes to the design, it is quite limited, I would say, because well, what do I mean by limited? I mean the design, it's the look and how the layout, they're fairly similar. So if you're making a lot of these websites, then there's going to be some crossover. Some websites are going to look more or less similar to each other. So the designs, they are improving the different designs, and over the course of 2 months that I've been using this, the amount of designs and the options, selections that I can choose from has definitely increased, and there are more options to choose from. Because before it was like around 10, but now it's like 20, 30. But overall, they look fairly similar to each other, and but whatever works for you, and if you find a design that you like, then what's more important is the layout and how it looks, because you can change the colors. Okay, I kind of like this one. You can change the color, you can change a bit of the color palette, So I think this one is okay. I kind of like this. This is an okay looking one. So continue. And then if you want these other integrations, you can click on whichever one you want, but I don't need it. But let's build a website. Now it takes a few minutes to get your website ready. Now, one of the things I like about ZipWP is it's quite open. So if you want to migrate it to your other hosts, or if you want to move it to somewhere else, you can easily do that with one of the plugins, Vivid WP, and some other options with the Astra theme. So this uses the Astra theme to make all these website designs. And if you guys remember, I was talking about the AI credits. So the AI credits, you get monthly AI credits, which you can use to make or like import different designs, pre-made designs and templates from the general template. So if you guys can see, this is the general website layout. Now it's okay. It's there are definitely things that could be improved. Maybe if you want to change the images or the background image for this, if you want to change the color palette, as I said, it's possible. Now, is it going to make this website that's mind-blowing? No, but if you need a quick and professional-looking website, it's quite easy, especially if you're building PBNs, private blog networks, for like SEO purposes. Then this looks more than acceptable. It's fine. So, as I said, if you're making websites that are more so geared towards like professionals or maybe like smaller companies, then it's more than enough. Now, if you want to change the color palettes, let's log in to this website, and then what this uses, it's the Astra theme. Okay, if you change the Astra theme, it will break the website, so it won't look the same. So just keep that in mind. Don't mess around with the theme. And also Spectra plugin, it uses Astra's Spectra website builder. If you change this as well with a different plugin, it would also break the website. So don't touch this. Don't deactivate it if you want to keep the overall design. Now, if you want to change the color palette, just go to Customize, and you'll see here that you can go to Global and then Colors. And in Colors, you can choose from different color palettes that might be most suitable for you, or if you want to change yourself, maybe in accents, links, and all this, you guys can change the color to your liking as well. Now, is it going to replace our AI website building is going to replace website developers? Not really. It just makes it more easy for you to not go through the hassle of putting the wireframe, putting the layout and columns and all this stuff. It makes it more easier, saves you a bit of time. You still need to have a good sense of design and good understanding of color theory and how the pictures work with the color and whatnot. So yeah, but if you need a simple professional looking website, you can get it done within a few minutes. Now, personally for me, I do make a few edits for my clients, and generally it takes me about 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on how much stuff I have to change. But generally, it's been okay for me. 30 minutes to 1 hour to make a full, complete website. That's very significantly short amount of time. Whereas if I'm doing from scratch, or perhaps using like theme demos and whatnot, then it does take a few more hours versus making with AI layouts. It's significantly faster. So as I said, what I was talking about, the AI credits, if you click on Design Library, you'll see the different options here. So many different options, different designs that you can choose from, and depending on which one you choose and which one you use, it takes from your monthly credit. Okay, which I think I already used a bit of credits from this design library, and the different wireframes, different designs which you can use, services, features, or whatnot. Service list, and so if you guys want to use that, you can just import these wireframes and design to your website. I don't know why it's lagging on my computer. It shouldn't be. Okay, let me refresh this page. Okay, I don't know. Little small glitch. But it said if you want to change some of the design that's on there. Spectra, it's fairly similar to Elementor or like different builder plugins. It is based on a Gutenberg plugin, but there has been significant improvements and changes with all that. So it's quite simple. It's fairly similar to Elementor now. Style, if you guys want to change some of the design settings, whatnot. If you want to move things around, it's here. It's up to you how you want to change it. Now let's use design library, and I don't know, let's import maybe a different design. Let's insert this. Okay, so here we go. This is the imported design, or imported wireframe, you could say. And maybe change the text. And with the text, you can also use the with the AI credits. You can use the AI assistant to ask. You can ask the AI assistant to help you to write some copywriting or perhaps stuff related to the website, sales copywriting, whatnot. So you guys can just write in okay, and write me a quick about us section for a digital marketing agency. Write for me, and then it should be able to come up with copy and then paste. So it's easy, quite like that. So as I said, it takes me about 30 minutes to 1 hour to make the full edits, maybe change some images to customize it to my client's needs based on the logo and how they want the website to look. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's fairly easy to use. Now if you make, as I said, person blog networks, or if you just need a quick professional website, it can get it done within a few minutes and out of the box for your own company perhaps. It's more or less ready to use out of the box with maybe some minor adjustments and changes if you want to make such changes. Alright, so that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. As I said, link is down below. You guys can check it out and use the trial version if you guys like it. Maybe move on to more of the paid plans. So it's up to you. But overall, I've been using for the past 2 months, but like one of the things I do have to mention though is with languages, certain languages not supported as well, and sometimes when you're importing or like when you are using the AI to make the website, sometimes it can get stuck. So you have to sometimes repeat to redo the import, or sometimes it takes one of your credits and you have to try it again, which happens like very rarely, but sometimes it does happen. But over the course of 2 months, it has significantly improved and it has gotten a lot better. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Try it out, see for yourself. Until next time.